Hi, my name is David Zeben from Zeben Development, and today we're going to take a look at how we can use profiles within Chimpegration to manage multiple MailChimp accounts with one Razor's Edge database. The vast majority of organizations will have one Razor's Edge database, and they'll have one MailChimp account where they store all their subscribers. However, you may be the case where you have two MailChimp accounts. For example, you're a school and you have a development trust with one account and an alumni network with another account. You make use of one Razor's Edge database, but you have different subscribers to two quite separate lists. So you want to keep your list separate on MailChimp, and you have two accounts there. You can do this with your pro user in Chimpegration, and I'm going to show you how. So you go to the advanced settings of Chimpegration and manage profiles. As standard, we start off with one profile called default. We're going to change that to make it more meaningful. So add development, and also we'll add a new one called alumni. Now we can leave it at that, and what will happen is everyone will have access to either development or alumni, and when they log into Chimpegration, they'll be prompted to select the profile they want to use. Alternatively, we can also restrict the users who have access to those different profiles. So either somebody can have access just to one profile, or they can have access to multiple profiles. We'll do a combination of both of those. So with our development profile, we'll give David access to that, and we'll also give David access to the alumni profile. And then Kimberly will have access just to the alumni profile. So we can save that, and when we go out of Chimpegration and back into it again, we should be prompted. Here we are, prompted for the profile to use. Just a word to mention that the supervisor user has access to all profiles. So as we're logging in the supervisor user, we'll see a list of all the profiles here in the drop-down. So I'm going to log into our development account. And as a visual prompt, we are told that we're working with the development profile here at the bottom. We can carry on working with this profile and all the settings that connect us to the development MailChimp account. And we'll never come across the alumni network account at all. Of course, you may well have subscribers in both places. And when you come to synchronize that, you'll need to take that into account so you don't move data which should be only on alumni accounts onto development account. Now, if we log in as Kimberly, so we log into Razor's Edge, we go to the plugins, and we log into Chimpegration now. We're not prompted for a profile, because as far as Kimberly is concerned, there is only one profile, and that's the alumni profile. So there's no visual prompt saying that she's in that profile, because as far as she's concerned, there is only the one profile. But given this is a new profile, we have to set it up in exactly the same way as we would do when we first started setting up Chimpegration. So we have to add in an API key, and once we've done that, we can carry on working with our lists and our campaigns, which are specific in this case to the alumni profile. If you have any further questions about using profiles with Chimpegration, or about Chimpegration or any of our other products, then please feel free to get in touch through our website. That's www.zeben.info. Thanks for listening.